love me, I say you crazy. We're nothing more than friends. You're not my lover, more like a brother. I know you since we were like 10. Yeah, don't mess it up, talking that shit. Only gonna push me away, that's it. When you say you love me, that make me crazy.
Hey guys, Ultra and TRM here, and welcome back to another video. And today in this video, we're placing some stuff down on the track. Now, as you may know, those are, we already bought them, and they were a part of the layout before, but this video is basically setting up the layout again. As you can see over there, I've got a little carriage in there. That's just to store it over there. And again, I'm sorry if I repeat sentences. Just not sure if you guys can hear. I'm sorry if I'm shaking. It's just, I don't know. Stuff is just happening a lot. But there's stuff all over the layout that I just have to. And you can see, it's a mess down there as well. So, yeah. This is what I'll do. I'll do a little bit of a time lapse of me setting all these cars up. And yeah.
I see the moon. Oh, when you're looking at the sun. You're not a fool, not a fool, not a fool. No, you're not fooling anyone.
So guys, hope you enjoyed that time lapse, and as you can see, I've added cars all there. That one went out of place. I've got just cars laying all over the place. I still need to, well, move them, which I'll keep the red car there, but the rest, I'll placed. Buffers, you can see you've got 3 buffers. Don't know what to do with them. Leave a comment down below on any suggestions for my layout. We're thinking of changing this whole entire up and modeling it to look like a town in Perth, WA. Well, in WA called Coley. It's basically a coal mining town. And there used to be a passenger train going from Cooley to Narrogin, I think. But that's a good fact. So it's educational in some parts. But still, let me know any ideas on what I can do with this layout. Any ideas for up there on the tunnel. And just any ideas in total. Of course, we'll get the accessories pack soon, so all of these will be having scenery soon. And yeah, don't know what else to do with this video. Besides, say it's one thing. Ultra and TRM, out.